Hi guys, welcome to LDFS. I'm Dr. Lakshmy. Today we'll be discussing about the most neglected part in a dental clinic. Let's discuss about that today. As doctors, we often focus on patient experience during the treatment. We focus on patient experience when they enter our clinic. We focus on patient experience when they leave our clinic. But seldom we give importance to the patient experience after they reach their homes. And that experience is with the help of follow ups. We usually neglect this part of the experience. Now, the follow ups are a great or rather a very important part of every dental clinic or any clinic, which will help us not only to convert regular patient to a loyal patient, but also it helps patient to take that decision of the treatment. If they have done only checkup in our clinic and they are still waiting for decision to make that treatment or not, then it will help them to take that decision. It will help them to remember us. It will help your referred patient remember us. These kind of follow-ups are important. These are world-class follow-ups which I'm talking about. And there are a lot of things which you can do in those follow-up. And in today's video, I will be sharing with you one way by which you can be sure that at least it is not the neglected part in your dental clinic, and that is to have uniformity in your follow up. Let me explain this further. Uniformity means each and every patient visiting your clinic should have the same follow up experience. Be it any loyal patient, be it your old patient, be it any pedo patient, any checkup patient, be it any patient you have referred to somebody else, each and every patient should have the same kind of follow up experience. If you feel your clinic has uniformity and everybody experience same kind of follow up routine, then great, you don't have to do anything. That means follow up is not the neglected part of your clinic. But if you feel it is not implemented in your clinic, then start implementing it from today. And there are a lot of ways how we can implement uniformity in your practice. There are a lot of things which we can do in it. In our future videos, we will be explaining about those things. But today, make sure and check whether you have uniformity on your clinic. We always have some certain systems which we follow in confirming an appointment, which we follow for starting a scaling patient or starting any surgery patient, but we seldom have any system for the follow-up. We randomly ask our receptionist whether you have you taken the follow-up of that case, etc. But that means the uniformity is not there in your clinic. The follow-up is not given that much importance in your clinic. So check whether follow-up is the neglected part in your clinic, and if yes, then start implementing uniformity, start achieving the uniformity in follow-up experience in your clinic. I hope you liked today's video. Kindly like, share, and subscribe us, and send us a hi on this number. We'll add you to our special WhatsApp group, WhatsApp broadcast list, and we will be sending you any content which we are releasing online first in your WhatsApp. Thank you so much, guys. Until next time, bye.